Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the PC for a quick lock. Make sure you're signed in and have saved any active work. Once done, close sensitive apps so no data is left exposed when locked. Next, open the Start menu or press the Windows key to access Settings or the User Profile menu. This step sets the stage. You're creating the exact state you want preserved behind the lock. Make sure notifications are acknowledged, otherwise they may reveal info while you step away. Now you'll execute the lock. The fastest way is pressing Windows key plus L. It instantly secures the screen and returns to the sign-in prompt. Alternatively, click Start, choose your profile icon, and select Lock. This is useful if you prefer mouse control. For added security, enable the Control plus Alt plus Del Secure Attention option in account settings so only trusted logon methods appear. Make sure biometric or PIN options are configured if you want rapid re-entry without a full password each time. Finish by verifying the lock. Wake the PC and confirm it shows the sign-in screen rather than your desktop. If it didn't lock, restart the machine and try Windows key plus L again. Many transient issues clear on reboot. If the problem continues, check group policy or local security settings that might override locking behavior, and review fast startup, display drivers, or remote session software that can prevent locks. One quick troubleshooting tip: disable fast startup temporarily to see if that restores expected locking behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.